welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a haul video. I haven't done a haul in such a long time because we really do not go shopping. We just continually wash the same things over and over again. But you guys, today we went to Walmart to pick up some essentials, and of course there's always a sale at Walmart, and we just had to do a little just a little bit of shopping. So first I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got. They're selling $5 teas. It's so hot, you guys, I'm not ready for summer. Okay, yeah, they have $5 teas at Walmart, and of course this is me, y'all. What does it say? Sarcasm level expert? That's me. This is me. This shirt, I'm gonna wear this shirt specifically for people that ask me dumb stuff. That's gonna be the answer. It's gonna be sarcastic. Okay, so yeah, I really like this shirt. $5, love it. The second shirt, of course, you guys, when I saw this, I had to get it. Black Panther. Yes, y'all. Wakanda forever. Like, when I saw this, I had to get it. Look at this, y'all. And it got the girls on it. This shirt is like badass. Like, look at this with the girls, y'all. I had to get it. So yeah, Marvel shirt, Black Panther, $5 right now at Walmart. Look right there. So yeah, definitely have to get that shirt. Oh yeah, you guys, finally I did my nails. Aren't you guys so happy? Because I always apologize for my nails being ratchet, but I did my nails. Okay, so that's the stuff for me. Next is for Nevaeh. We got her these cute shoes. These were $4.98, and they look like this. I just love it. Purple to blue. So we were going down the shoe aisle. Nevaeh spotted these and she was like, "Mommy, I want those." So I found them. Right now she's a size 7, so this would be perfect for the summer. Obviously, you guys know when you buy for toddlers, it's pretty much going to be for like one season, and then they're not going to fit it anymore. So it's going to be for summer. Super cute jellies, purple to blue. I just really like this, and plus my baby got good taste. So here you go, baby. She just came in here. So that's it for Nevaeh. Next is for my babe, and this is going to be like half of his like Father's Day stuff, because Sunday pretty much we're just going out to eat for Father's Day. So this is gonna be his present, okay? Because I'll pay for everything. No, I'm just kidding. So here's the first shirt right here, and these shirts were only $3 at Walmart. Look at these, you guys. $3 on sale. He did better than me with the shirts. $3. Mine was $5. So that's the first one, just navy blue. Second one is this all red everything shirt that just looks like this, of course. And then yeah, same material, really nice material. He asked me like what I thought before he got them, and I was like, yes, this material is everything. So that's gonna be like his work shirts. And then you guys, since it's summer and he has like a specific dress code, just like basic tees, basic pants, like he wears like the same black jeans all the time, and it's summer and it's super hot, so of course he had to get. Now the reason why this is about to be Father's Day present is because these were a little bit pricey, y'all. These were $16.97 at Walmart. So yeah, and it comes with a belt, y'all, because he's been wearing my belt because he broke his, so I let him wear mine, so now he gets to have his own belt and give me my belt back. Babe, aren't you excited? Okay, so yeah, those shorts for work. Really excited. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and a treat for me. My favorite chocolate almond joy. So if you guys love me and everyone get me a gift basket, make sure almond joy is in it. That's my favorite chocolate. I love almonds. So that's the Walmart haul for you guys. Obviously we got other stuff that is like house essentials, but I don't think that you guys want to hear about this. And plus I wanted this to be like a clothing whatever haul. So yay, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Walmart right now this summer. They got the sales are popping over there. So yeah, go check it out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and see you guys later.